Hey, and welcome back. In this video, we are going to answer a big question. What bot is best for you? Hey, course creators, learn how to build your own custom GPT without the tech overwhelm. Please subscribe and join my school community to learn step by step. The link is below. So the whole idea here is to help you figure out which custom GPT or what kind of custom GPT is going to fit your needs perfectly. So I spent one day just listing out and mapping out all the different custom GPTs that I've seen, that I've created, that I could figure out a use case of. And I wrote them all down on my whiteboard and I mapped them all together. And ultimately, I came up to the conclusion that there are two main buckets. There are internal GPTs and there are external GPTs. So let's talk about that. Internal GPTs are basically your behind the scenes helpers. They're your brainstorming buddies, your task managers, your workflow organizers. They're the ones that boost your productivity and help you keep everything running smoothly. Think of them as your personal and creative support team that handles repetitive tasks and keeps you on track and keeps you knocking those to-do items off of your list. On the flip side, external GPTs are the ones that are facing outward. These are the chatbots that other people interact with, your students, your clients, anyone who needs a little guidance specifically created by you. These handle frequently asked questions. They offer personalized learning. They really reflect your unique point of view and expertise. They act like dynamic, interactive replacements for those static PDFs or workbooks you may have had. So much more engaging and so much more personalized to the person using them. Now in this video, I'm just going to give you that overview. In the upcoming courses, we will dive much deeper into how to actually build these out, both the internal and the external facing GPTs. But today I want you to understand that there are these different types of GPTs and that you have a ton of flexibility to find and create something that is unique to you and will do exactly what you want it to do. Now below this video, you're going to find a couple different examples of internal GPTs and external GPTs. I do want you to know that within those two buckets, there are so many different kinds of GPTs. So it's as simple as internal and external, but within those, there's so much more. So I'm really excited for you to dive into the other courses where we really dive into each of those. But before you go into those other courses, down below you are going to find a couple examples and case studies of different types of GPTs. And you will find a link to our CoachBot, and that is a custom GPT that you can use to help you kind of brainstorm and figure out what type of custom GPT you could build today and where this may fit into all of your different processes, your needs, and all of that good stuff. So don't skip over the custom GPT CoachBot link below. That will give you a ton of great insight into what custom GPT would work wonderfully for you. Hey, thanks so much for sticking around and watching this video. I hope that you found the information in this video to be helpful. If you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It helps me out so much. Also, please jump over to school and join our Chatbots for Course Creators community. Excited to see you there.